how to use Google Translate during a video call. So if you want to use Google Translate during a video call, then what you need to do is first you need to download the application. So the application is Google Translate. You need to download the application from your Play Store, and after that open the Google Translate. After that, make sure that you enter a video call. So go and video call someone that does not speak our language. So the first thing we're going to do is select both languages. So here on the bottom you will have two options to select the languages. So let's say the other person speaks English and I want to translate what they're saying to Spanish. To do that, you need to go with the first section and then select English from here, and then go with the second section and select Spanish from here. Now you need to simply tap on this microphone button and record what the other person is saying. Now once you've recorded, it will start the recording. It will record everything and then it will immediately translate everything that the other person was saying in Spanish. That's how you can use Google Translate during a video call, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.